As in the yesterday class, I told you about horoscope and how to diagram a horoscope. Now today, I will introduce you about stars. Even these stars, I already told you, there are 27 stars. Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigasira, Ardra, Punarvasu, Pushami, Aslesha, Magha, Pubba, Uttara, Asta, Chitta, Swati, Vishaka, Anuradha and Jeshta, Mula, Purvasada, Uttarasada, Shravanam, Tanishta, Setabisam, Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra, Revati. For Ashwini, Magha, Mula, Ketu is Lord. It carries 7 years period in horoscope. And Bharani, Pubba, Purva Palguni, Purvasada. For these stars, Venus is Lord and Venus Dasha or period is 20 years. Kritika, Uttara Palguni, Uttarasada. For these 3 stars, Sun is the Lord and 6 years period that means Dasha. And Rohini, Hasta, Shravanam, Moon is the Lord. For Rohini, Hasta, Shravanam, Moon is the Lord. For Moon's Dasha or period is 10 years. Mrigasira, Chitta, Dhanishta, Mars is the Lord. It has 7 years Dasha. That means 7 years period. Ardra, Swati, Setabijam. Rahu is the Lord. And 18 years Dasha or Rahu gives 18 years Dasha or 18 years period. Punarvasu, Vishaka, Purvabhadra. For these 3 stars, Jupiter is the Lord. It carries 16 years the Dasha or period. Pushami, Anuradha, Uttarabhadra. For these 3 stars, Saturn is the Lord. It gives 19 years Dasha. And Aslesha, Jeshta, Revati, Mercury is the Lord. It carries 17 years Dasha. So total these Dashas are 120 years. This Dasha frequency comes like this. First one is Ketu, second one is Venus, third one is Sun, next 4, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury. The Dasha frequency comes like this. This cycle comes rotates samely. Once again Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury. Total years are 120 years. Total lifespan is also 120 years according to Vedic astrology. According to Vedic astrology, a man can live up to 120 years. So here for Ashwini, Magha, Ketu, Mula, Ketu is Lord. Bharani, Pubba, Purvasada, Venus is the Lord. Kritika, Uttarasada, Sun is the Lord. Rohini, Hasta, Shravana, Moon is the Lord. Mrigasira, Chitta, Dhanishta, Mars is the Lord. Ardra, Swati, Setabisam, Rahu is Lord. Punarvasu, Vishaka, Purvabhadra, Jupiter is the Lord. Pushami, Anuradha, Uttarabhadra, Saturn is the Lord. Aslesha, Jeshta, Revati, Mercury is the Lord. For Ketu, it gives 7 years Dasha, Venus 20 years Dasha, the Sun gives 6 years Dasha, Moon gives 10 years Dasha, Mars gives 7 years Dasha, Rahu gives 18 years Dasha, Jupiter gives 16 years Dasha, Saturn gives 19 years Dasha, Mercury gives 17 years Dasha, and total becomes 120 years Dasha. Now I will tell you how these stars are occupied in a sign. Okay.